But you guys over there, don't you guys do like naming ceremony? Because there in Nigeria, when someone give birth, they will is after 8 days or 7 days. Some people do 7 days, while some people do 8 days. So if that is after 8 days or 7 days, they are going to name the child. How do you guys do it over there? Thank you, Amogilag. Thank you. After the lipstick is applied, do this. Do what? After now they get named the minute they are born here. Really? Oh wow. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. But I didn't call your name, GeForce. I didn't call your name. I didn't call your name. The question is for Lee, not for you actually. It's for Lee, not for you. It's for Lee, not for you. So I need a set of lipstick. I wanna make you know. Where are the brushes? Okay. I should add lip gloss. Alright then. Alright, Auntie GeForce, I will do that. I will add lip gloss. I should add lip gloss, right? I will do that. I will do that, my love. Anything. I will do that. I'm just gonna call my name. I got there to post a video of myself. Then go and post it now. Who dare you? Who dare you? I would like to add more to it. Is this boy who? She won't post it. Bet $100 she won't. I'm just again. Post it. Go and post it. Rather bet $100. I beg. Go and post it. I beg. And go and post it. Rush. No. Go and post it. I beg. He will give you. Don't worry. Go and post it, please. I need to get some. I need to get palette of lipstick. Yeah. Yes, like I need to get it. And if you delete it, you get nothing. I'm just saying, go and post it. Have you posted it? GeForce, go and check. Go and check if she truly post the stuff. GeForce, go and check it.